Okay, we did columns and text. Let's look at doing a few things that are a little fancier. All right, I'm going to switch to a different page. Just click up here and come to the lesson plan page. How about that? It's a good blank page. Let's say that I want to add a slideshow. I'm going to drag down the slideshow. I can say how I want my slideshow to look with my thumbnails or no thumbnails, etc. I'll say thumbnails at the bottom. I'll click continue, and now I'm just going to upload pictures from my computer for my slideshow. And this might take a while, and I'm just going to click save. And the slideshow will be placed on the page. Now we talked a little bit earlier about columns. If we want to make something smaller, we can add columns into the page. So I'll add the columns in, getting ready for that slideshow to appear, I hope. So here's my slideshow. You can see what it's going to look like. And I can change some things. I can add or edit photos. If I click there, you'll notice that I can also drag them into a different order if I want. Should be able to, there we go. I can add a link when someone clicks on that photo. I can add a caption to that photo, and I can remove that image. So if I wanted to say photo by Katie, I can do that and state who had that. Then I can click save. The other things I can do on the slideshow is I can change my navigation, I can change my speed, my spacing, add captions, and there are even some advanced things on showing the controls or not, those kinds of things. Now you'll notice again that my slideshow is going full screen, and I don't really see it until I publish to see exactly how the slideshow would work. Because I'm in edit mode right now. But if I wanted this smaller, I drag these columns over. I could drag this up to the column. And now it's that size. And again, remember, I can adjust my columns however big I want. And then I could type something here too. I could also make this 3 columns. Let's say I just want it centered in the middle of something. 3 columns and put it in the center column. And now it's going to be centered on my page for me. Let's talk about adding videos. Okay, let's say I want a video. You're going to notice that unless you have a pro account, you can't add a regular video. But you can add something from YouTube or anything that has an embed code. And here's the embed code symbol, and I'm going to drag this over here. I might just move this over a little bit. Move my slideshow. And anything with an embed code starts and ends with the less than and greater than sign. And so if, let's say, I created a Voki, I'm going to click publish on my Voki here and save it. When I'm done publishing my Voki, I'm going to get that embed code, and I'll recognize it by those less than and greater than signs. And it's right here, and I can copy that and come back over to my Weebly, click here, and paste it in. And when I click outside, my Voki will magically appear. I'm going to add some more columns here. Because I want to add some YouTube videos or a SchoolTube video. It's the same thing. You're looking oftentimes for the sharing symbol. When I click on the sharing symbol here, here's my embed code. You'll notice it's got the little less than or greater than. I can click on copy or Control C after I select it and come back up in here. And I'm going to find that embed code again. So I want you to see that you don't have to panic about, I don't have any. Just paste that embed code in and click outside, and the video will appear. If you can't do videos, you can upload them to SchoolTube or YouTube and then use the embed code. You can also create a link. So no worries about, oh, I don't have video capabilities. So here's a YouTube video, and here we have to click on same type of thing, share. And then from share, we click on embed. You don't want the link. And then you can copy and paste that. You can also create a custom size. Every 100 inches is about an inch, so this is about 4 inches by 3 inches now. And I would copy that and go back to my Weebly, get my embed code, and paste this in here. And then click outside. And again, I have my videos nice and saved. My Weebly works, I hope. Let's see if she's going to talk.
Students. We will create a Voki today of your speech.
Okay, so that's how we get some fancy things going on the page.